Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering on and observing behavior, because a dead battery mimics other faults. Once charged to at least 30%, make a quick visual sweep for frayed wires, loose hinges, or missing screws to pinpoint mechanical versus electrical issues. Next, disconnect Bluetooth and plug into a known good 3.5 mm cable. This isolates wireless modules from audio path problems. Make sure to have a small multimeter and plastic spudger ready. These let you test continuity without causing cosmetic damage. Once you remove pads and unscrew the ear cup housing, you expose the speaker, cable anchors, and battery, and that access is critical for targeted testing. Use the multimeter to check speaker coil resistance and continuity across cable joints. A reading of open circuit indicates a break. If readings look good, temporarily connect a known good cable or another identical speaker to confirm whether the fault is the driver or wiring. After isolating the bad component, order the replacement part and prepare for installation. You now mount the replacement part, making sure connectors seat fully and screws are snug but not over-tightened, because over-tightening strips plastic threads. Once reassembled, perform a firmware reset or factory reset and repair Bluetooth to clear software glitches. This often resolves intermittent audio. If problems persist, swap in a new battery or reflow suspect solder joints. Cold solder can cause dropouts. And if you hit a wall, document symptoms and reach out to support with pictures. That saves time during warranty or parts requests.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.